Success isn't just about talent, hard work, or even luck. It starts with one thing: your mind. Your thoughts create your reality. Every action you take, every decision you make, is shaped by the beliefs you hold about yourself. But here's the problem. Most of us have been conditioned with limiting beliefs. I'm not smart enough. I'll never be successful. I don't deserve happiness. And these thoughts? They become self-fulfilling prophecies. The good news? You can rewire your brain for success. And one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to do this is through affirmations. What are affirmations and why do they work? Affirmations aren't just feel-good quotes. They are mental programming tools that help you reshape your beliefs. Every time you repeat an affirmation, you train your subconscious mind to accept it as truth. Neuroscience backs this up. Studies show that positive affirmations, checkmark, activate the reward centers of the brain, making new habits easier to form. Reduce stress and anxiety, helping you stay focused. Boost self-confidence, making you more likely to take action. Just like muscles strengthen with repetition, your thoughts become stronger the more you use them. But here's the mistake most people make. They don't affirm the right way. How to make affirmations actually work. To reprogram your mind for success, you need to follow 3 key principles. 1. Affirm in the present tense. Your brain responds best when affirmations feel real and immediate. Instead of saying, "I will be confident," say, "I am confident." 2. Speak with emotion. The stronger the emotion, the deeper the belief. Say it like you mean it. Visualize success as if it's already yours. 3. Repeat. Daily consistency is key. Affirmations need to be a daily habit, morning, night, and especially when self-doubt creeps in. Powerful affirmations to rewire your mind. Here are some of the most effective affirmations you can start using today. I am in control of my thoughts and my destiny. Success comes to me effortlessly. I am confident, powerful, and unstoppable. Every challenge I face makes me stronger. I attract abundance in all areas of my life. Say them out loud. Say them with belief. Say them every day. Because the more you repeat them, the more they become a part of you. The mindset shift. That changes everything. Think about this. Every successful person you admire, from athletes to entrepreneurs, has one thing in common: an unshakable belief in themselves. They weren't born with it. They built it through mental conditioning. Michael Jordan once said, "I have failed over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed." That's the power of the mind. Seeing failure as fuel, setbacks as stepping stones. You are one mindset shift away from unlocking your full potential. The question is, will you take control of your thoughts today?